What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, you guys can obviously see the Fiat is here. And we're going to be doing some maintenance. We've got some Alfa Romeo coil packs, some spark plugs from Euro Compulsion. These guys, they even sent me some lollipops. These guys are kind of strictly for these things, and like the Alfa Romeos and stuff, they've got all these bomb-ass parts, so gonna be doing that. Got a K&N filter, and that's for another video. But yeah, these three things right here, gonna just kind of give the old girl a little bit more love and some supporting health mods, I guess you could say. I don't want this little thing to blow up on me, so whatever I can do to not let that happen. So that's gonna be it. Just a quick tutorial video on how to do so, and let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, so you're going to take off the cover for the intake. You're going to use either a screwdriver or an 8mm just for these three bolts. So you have to take off this like vacuum line from right here, slides right off, pull the clip off where the, I guess, induction section is, and then this clamp right here, slide right off, and then this whole setup magically comes out. Alrighty, you guys, so I already started with these two sides. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do these. These little plugs are a pain in the butt. There's a little black tab that you're just gonna pull, slide that to the side. You're gonna take your 10mm and first things first, unloosen the coil pack. Then you will pull the pack out. Just gotta give her a nice tug. Then what we do is we'll just blow it out just a little bit in case there's anything in there, and then we'll be able to get the plug out. So then you're going to take the specific, I guess you could say, spark plug socket. It's a 5/8, and take that out. Do this, comes on out. See, not too bad. Put a little NICs on the plug and get it back in there, and you can go ahead and tighten it. Get your torque wrench, and it is 12 foot-pounds. Then grab your new coil pack, put a little bit of the dielectric grease in there, and then on the side, push that sucker in there. Grab your 10 again. Tighten back down, and that is it. Not too hard. Luckily it's easy because there's only 4 of these things, so.
That's at least 20 horsepower right there.
Alrighty, and that is all. Now we start it, let it run, see what it does, go take it for a rip. Alrighty, you guys, that is going to conclude today's episode on doing the coil packs, the spark plugs, and the K&N filter. I'm going to try to figure out a spot to put the little K&N sticker. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this. Hopefully it did help. Leave a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see some more stuff on the old Fiat, because there's going to be more coming. And see you guys in the next episode. Peace.